The Harry Potter New York store officially opens on Wednesday. That's in 4 days. And we got invited to their exclusive preview of the store, so I'm very excited. I'm not really sure what to expect, but I think they have butterbeer, they have wands. I wonder if they have the wand experience, we'll find out. And lots of merchandise. And we just came back from Universal Studios in Florida, so then I can kind of compare like what's the same and what's different. I want butterbeer! What does butterbeer taste like?
Butter.
Like butter?
Like
like Elsa Anna? Do you think they'll have magical ice cream? Remember you had magical ice cream at the Harry Potter land? Oh my gosh, I see the billboard. There's the Flatiron Building. I think it's just right behind the Flatiron Building. It's the Harry Potter store. We're almost there.
Look.
Hi. I'm in my robe. I'm ready to go. You like my robe?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have your wand?
No.
I'm in my robe. I'm ready to go to Harry Potter store. Oh my gosh, it's right there.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
We're ready, right? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna go to Harry Potter store. With Harry Potter, get ready for this.
This is the Harry Potter New York store. Let's go in. So there's an app that you download and it's like a scavenger hunt, and then you scan each item to find the word, and at the end of the day you get a prize. Like there are authentic props that were used in the movies, like that crown. These are the maps.
Okay.
To tell you where the enchanted keys are. Do you want one? Yeah. You can open them. The holes tell you where they are. So this is the houses area, so it's more focused on Quidditch. The carpet, you have the different diadem. Nice. Locket of Slytherin. And up there, you can see that it's actually the characters playing Quidditch in Central Park. Oh wow! In Central Park. That is so cool. Because you can see the skyscrapers and then the trees like that. Wow. What are you doing? Oh no! Wait, is that a nice spell? Nice spell? The enchanted keys are attached to it. Oh, look at that. We have authentic props around the store. Can I scan this? This one usually works best for me. Oh, there you go! Yay. Then you press few more. You can learn more about the diadem. And then when you scroll to the bottom, it's one of the letters. This is the O. So you screenshot it because you will be collecting 9 of them. Okay. And it comes up with a spell by the end. Ooh, and what is this? It says Butterbeer is that way. Hey, Reina, look! That's Hagrid's shoes. Go stand behind it. Look at these big shoes.
The wand shot.
If you hold the wand, there's a picture that appears and tell you whose wand it is. The longer you hold it, the more pictures can appear.
So this is our interactive wand table. All you gotta do is every single time you grab it, the character of the wand will appear. You wanna try and grab it? You wanna touch it? Yeah, look, and there's some Grindelwald appears. Isn't that pretty cool? Yeah, so whenever you grab your wands, it's just gonna be information about their wands. You'll see the Patronus, most use spells and all that stuff, so it's pretty cool. The longer you hold it, the more information starts coming out. So we got a bunch of characters from Harry Potter. And then we also have some Fantastic Beasts here on the other side. Yeah, if you guys want a duel, I'm just going to need everybody's hands up off the wand table real quick. And if you want to grab Harry's and Voldemort's copy, then you guys can start your duel.
Oh my god! Look at, we're having a duel. You're the good guy, okay? You make sure you win. Oh, Harry won! That is just Harry and Voldemort can duel, or anybody can.
It's just Harry.
Oh, just And is it always Harry wins? has to be that way.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
我们小不要这样拿出来，不要 push 进去，不要 push 进去。No, okay, take it off.
Chocolate frog, every flavor bee. Candy shop, your favorite. So what is that? That's a huge chocolate frog. You got a chocolate frog? I see butterbeer. This butterbeer doesn't look like the one Universal. Hey, be careful, be careful. Don't touch.
But I want to get some butterbeer.
If you behave, we'll go get some butterbeer when we go. Okay?
But I want to get some butterbeer.
There's a 4-pack. Oh, that was in New York.
That's New York.
Oh, but it tastes the same. It's just the label is different. Oh. Was that you? Yeah.
You're a very good wizard.
You want to go down? Are you sure? That way, that way. I found another key. No, this is our book section, books and stationery.
Okay.
So we have, of course, the first 7 in hardcover and paperback, and then we have a bunch of pens, and we have notebooks that can be personalized. You can get your initials or your first name on these books. Love them. But I think
This is the monsters, books of monster. That's so cute.
my favorite thing has to be the Minalima version of Sorcerer's Stone.
Oh, wow.
It is completely phenomenal. And it has all this amazing detail by the same people who, did all the graphic design and regular design for the movies, and then also the story. You want to go in here to look at the books? Whoa, flying books! Oh no, please, please no. You like it?
You want to go back up?
Oh, there you go. This is the authentic prop that they use in the movie. In the second movie. The Chamber of Secrets.
Oh, the Chamber of Secrets. Oh yeah, that's the thing that stabbed the book.
Sure. So this is our jewelry section. Up here we have a recreated time turner.
Wow.
It's really big. It might not look like it, but it's a really big time turner. And over here we have some of the jewelry that's for sale. We have a collaboration with Alex and Ani. And then on this side we have a collaboration with Swarovski.
Oh.
So those are the 2 companies that we're collaborating with for jewelry.
This is Harry Potter makeup.
Tiny makeup.
Oh, this is Hermione makeup, you're right.
The golden egg. Things that must be named.
So everything in this section is
Yeah.
personalized.
Okay.
We do notebooks,
Mhm.
acceptance letters, wands. We do keychains, necklaces, and charms, as well as pens
Yeah.
and Tri-Wizard jerseys. And then you can also get your own personalized.
Oh, it's pretty. Is this open yet or
No, it's not open
Okay.
just yet. Right now they're still testing out the VR.
Okay.
We haven't even gotten to experience it yet.
Oh, really?
So
Okay. Oh, July? Okay.
Yeah, about late July. And there's also another VR experience upstairs.
Yeah.
On the second floor.
It's going to be glasses.
Just
So,
glasses?
It's going to be immersive. Like it's
Immersive?
you put the glasses on.
Oh, very nice. Very cool.
Ah.
You want to go out? Wow.
So this is Minalima. So Minalima, they're the graphic designers of all the Harry Potter movies. So this room has all different art prints and all different products based upon their work.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So they're the graphic designer for the movie?
Yeah, all 8 movies and Fantastic Beasts.
And Fantastic
Yeah,
Beasts.
they're
Okay.
still working on them. So
Nice.
yeah, so they make everything in this room, and they're also working on an illustrated version of the books as well.
Look at this! With all the Hogwarts letters coming out of the fireplace. That is so cool.
Are you helpful, Sal? Hi, come on. Hmm?
This is the dark art section.
Yes, it is.
When does Nagili talk?
He talks about every 15 minutes.
Oh, every 50 minutes.
Daddy, you gonna make the snake talk?
I can't make the snake call. You have to use your magic wand.
I can't.
You have to use the right spell.
No. No, you do it.
Huh?
You do it.
Do you like this?
No.
You don't like this? What's that?
Oh.
That's Hufflepuff.
Oh.
You want to go up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
A ring.
A little witch and wizard in training. You have to be careful, right? You're not 11 yet. 11's when you get to get your Hogwarts letter. Am I correct?
Can I have the wand, please?
No.
This is Dobby. Cute little Dobby.
Mommy, but there's fire.
Yeah, but that's fake fire. It's just a picture. This looks like Floo powder.
The blue bandit. A beep.
Whoa. Look at this.
Wow.
We are in the Floo Network.
Is this the fire?
We're inside the fire.
Wow.
Is that real fire?
Yeah.
And then you come back to the first floor. Let's see who picks up.
Mommy, what happens?
I don't know what happened. So this one doesn't work like the one in Universal, I guess. Oh yeah, you can't take it off.
Wow.
Do you remember the crying plants?
Yeah.
Yeah, where is it? Up there, the crying plants.
A spider.
A huge spider.
Yeah, so this is going to be the toy section where we're doing just from Fang, we have Bugbeat as well, from Hedwig, all the characters here, and just introduced. We also have the keep up with the visual films as well.
Ah, that's so funny.
And then from here now and then, it plays a scene where it's Ron and Harry into the car.
When does that happen?
It usually happens like around, like, it's just a random one, we gotta catch it.
That's Ron and Harry crashing into the plant.
Watch out, get it. Good job.
Look at these bags! So cute!
Wow. We're gonna have some butterbeer, okay?
I want a chocolate. I want a chocolate hat.
They have butterbeer on tap and butterbeer ice cream. They have cupcakes, sorting hat cookies, chocolate ones, butterbeer.
Spinning cupcake.
Oh, and a spinning cupcake.
I want to get a hot chocolate.
You want to get a chocolate hat?
Yes.
That's a cookie. Which one do you want? You want butterbeer on tap or butterbeer ice cream?
Butterbeer ice cream.
You want butterbeer ice cream? Are you guys excited for butterbeer? Mom, what do you guys want?
Would you choose butterbeer?
Thank you. Are you excited for butterbeer?
Excited.
等一下，我帮你。So we got the butterbeer with the souvenir cup. How cool is that? It's different from Universal. Tastes the same. Really good. They also have the butterbeer ice cream, but they don't have it today. This is really good. It's really good.
Huh? No. It's a sorting hot chocolate cookie. You want it? Okay, let's have a bite. Wow. Is it good?
Rina, be careful of your drink.
How do you like it? Do you like it? Oh. Yeah? Yummy.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's a sorting hat cookie. We're gonna clean this cup so we can take it home. Okay, let's clean this cup.
There you go.
Let's see if it's clean. Wow, it's all clean. Where are you going? So we finished the scavenger hunt and we're gonna go get a prize. Do you want a prize? Do you know what the spell is? 我跟你讲, it's locomotor. She finished her scavenger hunt.
You finished?
So what's the spell?
I don't know.
I just told you. You forgot? Starts with an L. Locomotor. Okay, go.
You nailed it. Nice job. And then you come up here and we give you your special prize. Congratulations.
Oh, wow. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You did great. You know what's fun about this is that, yeah, sure, locomotor works. But what else opens locks? Can you think of another spell that would open a lock?
Alohomora.
Alohomora. You should try putting that into there and see what you get.
Okay, we've been in here for a long time. It's time to go.
I know, did you get a pen?
Yeah, we did. We got the pin because we finished our scavenger hunt.
Very nice. Alright, awesome. Let's go.
Have a good day, guys. Enjoy.